The kids have no idea where we are yet, so I'm going to literally let them out now and just see if they are ecstatic, because this is beautiful. We were literally heading for Austria and have just stopped randomly, but I guess that's what travelling's about, isn't it? Is being able to just pull in wherever. He's got his summer wear on ready. How gutted are you now that we didn't buy that supboard yesterday?
We went yesterday. That was the first day the second day we was here.
Yeah.
Because there was a supboard for 150 euros, which would have been about 120 quid.
Bargain.
Which for a supboard is a very, very good price. But it was the weight. It's weighty and yeah, we're at capacity. Even though the garage is practically empty.
Yeah, look at that. There's nothing in there. We've got a couple of footballs, our electric cable and our silver screens. And
yeah, the EcoFlow solar panel.
Oh yeah.
And that's it.
But you're happy with this, and you love?
Yeah.
You were happy with your last minute decision?
Yes, I am. It was a good last minute decision. It was worthy.
Yeah, and actually now I'm here, I'm quite grateful because the sun is still shining in the sky and Austria's showing thunderstorms. So I'm going to get my tan on.
Austria's not going nowhere, and we've got all the time in the world. We were just driving on the motorway and we just seen this big lake. Like, oh, that's stunning. So we pulled off, did a bit of research. We found this campsite and you could only send an inquiry. So I was like, well, let's drive up there. We got you. And he's like, yep, we got 2 spaces left. So we took the last 2 spaces.
Happy with that. Look at this. Looking beautiful there, Amelia.
Okay, that's not a lake, that's an ocean.
Look at this view. Campsite's just here and our van's just behind there. That is stunning. So the kids are already in the water, doesn't take them long. The towel's down. I'm going to be down, chilling. I think there's going to be some supboards and kayak action going on in a bit with the guys, so I'll try and get that as well, because that looks ace. I'm too much of a chicken. I love the look of water. I absolutely hate being in it. Don't mind it up to my knees, that's about it. But yeah, with the supboards and kayaks, not for me. I actually get seasick on them. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to suss out what this lake is like. Ooh. It's really warm. The guys are in here finding fish apparently.
You would be drowning.
Not going to be a bad afternoon at all. I'm just heading over for a walk on the jetty just to see if I can show off the mountains that are surrounding this lake. They're absolutely stunning. But photos don't always do these things justice, so I will try. You see the mountains just there in the distance. So this place was 40 euros for the night. That's with electric, and there is a bar here as well, which is just as well because I've run out of wine. So nice, eh? There's the ruck pack having a bit of a play around.
This is beautiful.
Stunning, isn't it?
It's warm as well.
It is nice and warm, but it's beautiful and clear as well. You cannot ask for more than that.
Hi, Mum!
You enjoying swimming in the lake?
I'm going to do a swimming pool. I like it! And I saw like a ton of little fish.
Loads of fish?
Yeah, they were really small. I was trying to catch one. Don't dive!
Don't dive, because that's how you can crack your head open.
There's fishies under the brook, so I'm going to try and catch one. Yeah, me too.
Just be careful.
I might need a net.
You need a net. Oh, we've got fishing nets on board.
Wait, Dad, can you show them the fishies?
You found fishies?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go find them.
I think this actually might be our best one yet. I mean, doesn't get better than this, surely not. Could be absolutely anywhere. The water's warm, the kids are swimming, they're finding little fish. This is kind of the stuff I would have expected in the Maldives. But yet we're in Germany on a beautiful sunny day, and this is what we've got. And I really, really am completely made up that we decided to stop very last minute. It's just stunning. I've just spied Jen and Nick in the water on their kayak. Give us a wave, guys! Yeah! Is that good? That looks wicked. I bet he's gutted he didn't buy the kayak, buy the board the other day now. That looks really good. They've been hijacked already by Pirate Dexter. So we're out on a kayak and look at this.
I don't know if that does it any justice, but the mountains here are stunning.
Yeah, I am feeling a little bit wibbly wobbly, I'm not gonna lie. Don't do that. But yeah, you can see the sparkling on the water from the sun. It's just so picturesque. Literally the coolest thing I think we've ever done, Stu.
Yeah, this is awesome. Beautiful sight.
Wow, see all the caravans and campers behind us. That's how close we are parked up to the lake. We're loving it. It's so cool. What's really funny is I'm making him do all the work as well. I'm just sitting here like Lady Muck doing nothing.
Man butt power.
Yeah, let's go. Just don't bloody capsize us, whatever you do. But look at the mountains behind. It is just so stunning. To think this is a lake. Come on, man, butt. Get them muscles going.
So, I've hijacked your camera and we're playing not Where's Wally, but Where's Dexter. Can you see him anywhere? Can you see him? Where's Dexter gone?
I don't know.
You don't know? Where's Dexter gone? Oh no, is he under that towel?
Yeah.
I think he is. Pull the towel up to see if he's there. Oh, he's not there. Where is he then?
Covered in rocks.
Oh,
No, he's not.
that's for you to find out.
You enjoying that, love?
I am actually. I'm having far too much fun.
She was scared to get on you. Now she's out there. I was like, do you want to go back? No.
No, but it's so pretty. And I'll probably never do this again because I'm such a loser when it comes to kayak. This has been lovely because I can just sit here. I feel like I'm tanning really well now as well. It'll be sunburn now. Yeah, it'll be sunburn anyway. It won't be tanned at all. I'll be hibernating for 3 days because I got burned. So we're heading back now. We've been out here a little while. This lake is so calm. It's literally nothing like Lake Windermere when I was petrified I was going to throw up. It's so calm, it's so peaceful, and the views are just phenomenal. Highly recommend this place. If you are ever in the area, try and visit. Yeah, you look very comfy. Got your new sunbathing boat, have you?
Yeah, do you know where Dexter is?
Don't know where Dexter is, do you?
No, where's Dexter gone?
I don't know.
Well, you'll find out on the vlog.
Find out on the vlog.
I've blocked it.
Is he under there?
No, probably.
Is he under here?
No?
No.
That's a good hiding spot.
I got him there. Yeah, are we done a vlog? I hope you enjoy the vlog we made.
That was so much fun. Just got the guys to carry it from the jetty. My bum's completely soaked, but it was worth. What's Daddy gone and got for you all?
Mum, you got wine.
Yay! Daddy scored. Oh, thanks, love.
Extra meats for the kids and a wine for the big kids.
Thank you. Love you. So the man that just disappeared for a good 10 minutes. And I found him with this thing. What on earth are you doing?
When in Vegas,
Dexter, take your floaty.
and we're off.
See you in a bit.
Dexter, take your floaty. That's inside.
She turns out all the lights and
Just had a cheeky barbecue on the induction hobos. We're on electric again.
Yeah, cheers.
And we realised we've been here now for 6 nights and we've had electric every single night apart from the very first night. And there's another wasp. There's wasps everywhere. Go in. Man.
I just been stung on my knee.
I will say.
You gotta keep that in it. You gotta keep that in it.
I will say there's a lot of wasps here. So much so, we've even bought a wasp zapper. So we're just gonna chill this evening
With our citrella.
with our citrella. See, we're trying everything to keep them away.
You do look proper red, Michael, can't you?
Yeah, I have burnt maybe just a little bit today. But when you're in the water, you don't feel it, do you?
Sun cream would be a good start, though, mate.
I did put sun cream on once.
Before we left.
Yeah, here I am, not browning at all.
No, factor 50 every half hour all day. It has that effect. Yeah, we're gonna chill this evening, so we'll pick you up in the morning. Good night, guys.
On the day that I die, go party, yeah, go party. On the day that I die, go party, babe, go party. On the day that I die, load it up when the sun comes down. Getaway car for 2 young lovers. Me and the girl straight out of town, over the hills and undercover. She said, green grass, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day.
So it got busy down here all of a sudden. I was here 10 minutes ago, there wasn't a single soul around. But our Jen is going to jump on his SUP and we're hoping she's going to fall in. Not going to lie, that's why we're here. We're not here to do it ourselves, we're here to watch Jen fall in.
On the day that I die, green grass, blue sky. You better throw a party on the day that I die.
So what a park up that was. You always find that the unplanned ones or the unexpected ones are the best. So, got to be our most favourite to date, would you say?
Yeah, I mean there's two things about this lake that make it unbelievably epic. It's the fact that it's quite warm and it's surrounded by mountains, isn't it?
It is. Lovely cheeky mountain range. We did put the drone up, so maybe we'll get some footage on those. We would stay here again today. It's that beautiful, but there's a big thunderstorm coming in later and it's quite a pricey site. So
yeah, but it's pricey, but for the location and you know, the ability to get in the lake and swim. You know, we've had the SUP boards out, we've had the kayaks out, we've had we hired a pedalo.
Yeah,
you know,
swimming, it's just
lush. Been brilliant.
It was lush.
Yeah, it was literally. It was just amazing, you know.
And finished off with a nice barbecue with some frankfurters.
Oh yeah, that was nice as well.
Oh, not frankfurters, what are they called?
Bratwursts?
Bratwursts, that's it.
Yeah. No, it was really, really good. So I would like to stay again, but sometimes you can spoil a good thing by staying too long as well. So we're never going to repeat yesterday in the same location. So it's only right that we move on, isn't it? Yeah,
so we're about 20 miles now from the Austrian border, Salzburg. So we're going to head down there now, won't we?
Sorry, I keep moving. I've got Pebbles. He's on his lead. Look at this. It's his first time near water.
He's not been to a beach before, has he?
No. He's been so good though, hasn't he?
He has been good, to be fair. He has taken to the van life very, very well.
He is annoying me with the early morning wake-ups, but then I can't really blame him because, you know, when you've got these views, you do want to make the most of them, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's been absolutely banging.
I think he's seen the fish in the water.
He was chasing a field mouse the other day.
Yeah, and you know, everybody on this site as well, can I just say, everyone, not just this site, Germany as a whole, everyone has been friendly. Everyone says good morning when you pass.
They come up and they'll have a chat with you, really friendly.
They're quite taken with the cat. I think seeing a cat on a lead is a little bit interesting.
In a fan. Yeah, it's not the normal, is it?
But look at him.
No way on earth he's going in that water. He's looking at all the flies. He's going to go for that dragonfly that's just landed on that rock.
Oh, he's loving it, isn't he? I'm surprised he's getting so close, actually.
Yeah, he's curious because he's never seen it before. Anyway. We hope you enjoyed this, guys.
Yeah, we've really enjoyed showing you around, and you know, it's just been a pleasure, isn't it?
Yeah, and we're really looking forward to seeing some of the Alps now and more lakes and features of Austria.
Yeah, I've got a hit list that I want to see in Austria, but if you want to find out what's going on, you need to tune in next week.
So until next time, guys.
We'll see you in a bit.
Ta-ra, guys.